Myself Pratik Kamble. I am from Mumbai and I am the chief physiotherapist for KBFC. Being a physiotherapist for a football team, I think it's a big challenge for us. There are n number of roles and responsibilities, starting from to do their medical analysis before the start of the season, monitoring their nutrition, individual training program, then yes, recovery when you have such a concised league, matches being played back to back, to get them back on field and get them ready for the coach is a big challenge. But yes, we enjoy doing that, and we take it as a challenge. Myself being from a sports background, I used to play cricket, but due to some injury I couldn't take it forth as my profession. But then my sister being from a medical field, she guided me that there is something called as physiotherapy and you can do your masters in sports. So she was like a mentor to me, and that helped me to be here today, and I'm enjoying that, to be on the field, even if I'm not a player, but yes, I'm treating the players. I started my career working for Premier Futsal League in 2016, and to my luck I was the physio for team Kochi. Later on I did I-League for DSK Shivajians. After that I was the physio for the Indian national football team for 3 years, and also for Northeast United FC for 2 seasons. There I always used to go for away matches in Kochi, and I used to wonder about the crowd. I was so amazed and thrilled to see the supporters there, and I used to feel one day I want to work for KBFC. And yes, today I am so happy that I am the chief physio for the team, and I really feel myself so proud to be here and to work for KBFC. As we all know, football being a contact sports, we see n number of injuries in day-to-day practice session. So keep a track of them to assess the players and give the feedback to the coach about the availability, I think is a big task. And also taking the COVID-19 situation this time, not only the physical but also the psychological point of the player has to be considered. And yes, we all are like family, and friends. So the players, mild sore throat, pains, niggles, they come to us and we have to manage that. So it's like we have to see right from the scratch up till the big problem, whatever it comes to us. Since I started my career, it's been 6 years now that I'm working as an on-field sports physio, which means almost 8 to 9 months I'm out of the house throughout the year. So I would like to thank my family, especially my wife, my mom, my dad, for understanding me. My dad being a football player, he really motivates me. He loves to see me on field working for them. That keeps me going throughout. So I really want to thank them from the bottom of my heart, because without their support I don't think this kind of a job could ever have been possible for me. Coming from a sports background, I always wish to work on field, and being a sports physiotherapist has helped me to achieve that. The most important thing I love about my field is the decision making. Compared to other branches, you have time, you have patience, but here you always have to be on your toes to take the decision so that it benefits the team. These challenges and freedom keeps me motivating and helps me to grow day by day. Being working for Indian national football team and one of the best club in India, that is Kerala Blasters FC, I would like to thank God for already giving me what I wished for. But in coming years, I would really like to see myself working for one of the team in English Premier League. This was my first season with Kerala Blasters, and I really enjoyed a lot with the coaching staff, support staff and every players. Being in a bubble situation, we never felt lonely. We were always together for each other during the bad as well as good times. I would like to thank Manish and Rafiq sir for their constant help and support. Last but not the least, I am eagerly waiting for the next season to kick off soon and experience the love of Kerala fans and the vibrant crowd for the home matches. So I really thank Kerala Blasters from the depth of my heart for this opportunity and the platform they have given me. Thank you. Yennam Yellow.